Welcome to part 2 of how to create a solar plant watering system with Arduino. In this part, I will show you how we can connect the epaper module with our Arduino and also how to show the soil moisture values on it. So now that we've connected our epaper module with the Arduino, we need to install a library. So we go to our platform.io extension, then we select libraries, and we can search for the library named GXEPD2. We need this to control the epaper module. So just search for it, then click on it, and this is very easy. Just say add to the project. Choose the correct project where you want to add the library to, and then just say add. To be able to write text on the epaper display, we will check the examples of the GXEPD2 library. There is a small Hello World example which only writes Hello World to the display. We will use this example to check if our display works as expected. We can find the examples of the library in the examples folder, as you can see here. So let's open the hello world.ini file. You can find it here in the subfolder, Hello World. First, we will need this header file for just black-white displays. This is in my case. If you have a 3-colored one or a 7-colored one, you need one of the other header files, but I will copy this one. Also, we will need the font header file to be able to write something with a font. And now you can see that we have to find the correct constructor for our display. The hint here is display selection. So let's check this file. And here you can see that there are different constructors for different microcontrollers available. For example, for the ESP32 or for the ESP8266. But I'm using an Arduino Nano, so I see a hint here that these might be the correct else path. So let's check this. I do not have a 3-colored or a 7-colored display, so this might be the correct constructor. Also, I have a 2.9-inch display, and here you can see that, for example, this is the size of the display, and I'm looking for the 2.9-inch display constructors. So I will copy these constructors to our main C++ file, because we then have to find out which constructor will work for us. So now we know how to write a message onto our ePaper display. Of course, you can customize the message to your own needs. And if you have any questions or something doesn't work as expected, let me know in the comments. Thanks for listening, and in the next video, we will use the Solar Power Manager and the solar panel for power supply and test if everything works as expected. So see you in the next video.